What's going on YouTube? You're watching Exquisitemad. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today, going to be disinfecting this Boeing 737-800 for the Houston Rockets. So, we'll be disinfecting all surfaces here.
The first step in this process is fogging and fumigation of the cabin of the aircraft. After that, then physically wiping down all the surfaces after spraying it down with disinfectant.
Different configuration than your typical 737-800. A little bit different. So I'm going to let y'all see. Going to get straight into it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell.
On this 737-800, and took a little while, but was able to do it no problem at all. And just to let y'all see how big this thing is up close for all of you that don't really have an opportunity to be around airplanes and to really experience this. There you go. That way you can appreciate the sheer size of this thing. This thing is pretty darn big. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. If you're interested in having your aircraft or automobile detailed, please contact Exquisitemad at 1-800-292-2341. That's 1-800-292-2341.